Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we break down some of the best tech and automotive gear on the market. And today, we're diving into a real powerhouse, the Termitor 9005, HB3H11, H8, H9 LED bulbs combo. Let me be very clear right at the start. This is one of the best LED headlight bulbs for high brightness you can get right now. Let's get into why. Let's begin with what sets these bulbs apart. When you see 110,000 lumens on the box, you already know this isn't your average headlight set. These things are designed to light up the road like it's broad daylight. That brightness is achieved through 12 high-powered chips per bulb, and the results are instantly noticeable. Whether you're driving through rural backroads or navigating foggy weather, these LEDs cut through darkness like a laser. And it's not just about brightness. These bulbs use the latest Z10 technology to ensure that illumination is both powerful and consistent. That means you're not just blasting light, you're doing it with control and clarity, creating a beam pattern that's razor-sharp and precisely aligned to prevent blinding oncoming drivers. Let's talk design. Termitor went the extra mile to make these bulbs incredibly compact, a true 1-to-1 size ratio with your factory halogens. That means no need for modifications or wrestling with your headlight housing. It's plug and play, no external drivers, no wires hanging around, and no additional boxes to mount. Just straight up install and go. The build quality is where things get seriously impressive. These bulbs are made with aviation-grade aluminum, a thermostatic copper plate, and a built-in 20,000 RPM cooling fan. That's not a typo, 20,000 revolutions per minute. This ensures heat is managed efficiently, keeping the LEDs cool even during long nighttime drives. An estimated lifespan of 70,000 hours. That's nearly 8 years of performance with regular use. Now if you're worried about compatibility, Termitor has you covered there too. They've built in a next-gen CAN bus system that handles sensitive car models with ease. No dashboard errors, no annoying flickering. It even supports power ratings between 50W and 65W. Which is perfectly aligned to replace traditional 55W or 60-watt halogen bulbs. And let's not forget safety. Termitor's light beam pattern has been tweaked and calibrated to perfection. You get zero dark spots, no scattered light, and no glare. Just clean, even coverage on the road. That means better reaction time, clearer road signs, and enhanced driving comfort at night. If you're someone who commutes long distances, drives in rural or poorly lit areas, or simply values visibility and safety, this is a no-brainer. Whether you're upgrading from stock halogens or replacing older LED kits, the Termitor combo delivers performance that's hard to beat. To sum it up, with its unmatched brightness, durable design, compact fitment, and premium safety features, the Termitor 9005, HB3H11, H8, H9 LED bulbs combo isn't just another lighting upgrade. It's a full transformation for your night driving experience. If you're interested in this product, check the link in the description for more details and availability. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we shine a light on the best gear out there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews just like this one. See you in the next video.